I know, I didn't recognize it when I pulled up. Folks, what's going on? It's Oregon Motorcycle bringing you another awesome episode. Today is Tuesday. We are in Oregon City, and this is the ORMC ride.
13 people is what I'm counting.
13 bikes. Today we're going on a trip through Oregon City into Molalla, a little bit up the Molalla River. I'm taking you guys along for this trip. If you guys are ever interested in coming out and riding with me or some of these fine folks, you guys can follow my channel. And I post in my community posts every Tuesday mornings just to confirm that we're riding. But this is pretty much a standing ride, so we do it every Tuesday. And all bikes are welcome, all riders are welcome, all skill levels. We wait up for everybody. There's always a bunch of different bikes, like this sport bike beside me. Everything from adventure bikes to dual sports. A little bit of everything. As I was saying earlier, we welcome all riders, all skill levels, and we ride some really good roads, as you can see, some fun twisties, and we always wait up for everybody. So there's no, there's no pressure to keep up with the pack, so to speak, or anything like that. We stop at all turns, make sure all bikes are accounted for, and so yeah, kind of gives everybody a little comfort that way. And this is a really good way to improve your motorcycling skills, in my opinion, because you can kind of see bikers in front of you ride and take these same corners and kind of doing the same things, and you can kind of see the performance that these machines are capable of, which is quite impressive. Because in my opinion, only about 5 to 10% of riders could actually take their bike to the top of the performance level. So I feel that every rider could use more experience and more practice, and getting out on some of these mellow group rides is a good way to do that, increase your skill level. And one of the great things about these rides too is you get to meet new people, like-minded people, people that you have a lot in common with, and things just branch out. And some of these people in this group have amazing stories of how they met people and what they've done, and it's awesome. It's just a really good group of people. So I encourage anybody that's into motorcycling to come on out and ride with us and check it out. If this is your first time tuning in, folks, hit that subscribe button and the like button if you guys like my videos. I know some of you guys like them. Some of you don't, maybe. Oh, I got some important news to talk to you guys about amped bikes. I'm going to be making some dedicated videos about that, but just to give you guys a little insight, some of you e-bike riders that are following my channel, I have spoken with Ben, the owner of Amped Bikes, and there is some major changes going on over there at that company right now. And basically, the short end of that is I kind of was mixed up in the middle of all that stuff. And so, like I said, I got a lot to tell you guys, and it's all good, you guys. It's all good. Ben reached out to me. He took the time to call me, personally call me, and we actually had 2 different phone conversations. And he really changed my mind about my perception of their business, which was really good. And I feel a lot better about everything now, and I feel a lot better about my purchase and me purchasing my bike from Amped Bike. So I just want to get that out there right now. Like I said, there'll be some upcoming videos and more about this in the future, guys. So look forward to that. If you guys have any questions about Amped Bikes or anything, just post down below in the comments and I will answer them to the best of my knowledge. Get up here, wait for the last person. We got a thumbs up. We shall continue. So the weather today has been really cool, and in fact the sun just came out like an hour or so ago. And this day last year is when we broke our all-time heat record of 116 degrees, and today it's like 65-70 degrees. It's kind of weird. I got merch too, folks. Merch is live and for sale. Got stickers, shirts, hoodies, long sleeve shirts. They're awesome, they look cool. And they got a QR code in the back, which is awesome. So guys should check the links below. I'll post them down below in the description. You guys can go over there and get yourself something nice. And I kind of like them. I like the shirts. I like the way they came out. They look good. The quality is good too. It's only 20 bucks, I think, for a t-shirt. And I've got one. I've worn it a couple days and I've washed it, and it's decent. So you know, I wouldn't steer you guys wrong. Well, all right, folks, I hope you enjoyed this awesome episode of Oregon Motorcycle. If you guys have any questions about this ride or any concerns or anything, just post them down below in the comments. I'll answer them to the best of my knowledge. But for the most part, every Tuesday until the weather turns, we meet at the Red Barn Car Wash in Oregon City, right there across from Home Depot. So 5:30s, we leave out, kickstands up at 6 o'clock. And like I said, it's an awesome time. Good people. And oh yeah, like almost every time we go back to the Eastsiders Clubhouse. We're the Eastsiders.
We the Eastsiders, what define us is we riders. Real niggas stand beside us.
So we go back there for like a fire and drinks or whatever, and hang out there, which is a lot of fun. So yep, until next time, folks, Oregon Motorcycle.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go,